bring them more, but you can't bring the truth to me.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you are.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are well. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Orito Spielman. Oh guys, and I know good that I'm sitting like I've been busy, a lot is happening in my life, but like yeah, I'll try. So yeah, just spend a day with me, because namhlanje we're having a braai. It's a collab with Goldfields, Icarus, and Livingston, another galleries. Yeah, so I'll take you guys through that. I'll show you back on Jan. Oh, please don't mind me in this, and also I'm not feeling well. I have flu, and yeah, the past few days I was in hospital, but yeah, I mean, nothing now I'm okay, you see. Yeah guys, so let's have a breakfast. I'm having McD's nuggets and a burger, because we went there around 11 to get something to eat. One of my friends was hungry, so yeah. Guys, did I tell you about now I'm working, I have a job and independent? Yeah guys, so let me just eat, then after that I'll take a shower, then do my lashes. And also please don't mind because andikalungisi, so I'll just fix my room first, then take a shower, then after that do my lashes before we go to Goldfields, because we're leaving at 1 to go and prepare to do preps, yeah. And braai. This is a braai, guys. Making yummy lahleng, but yeah guys, man, see you there. Pofu, see you when I'm done. I'm done. So now we're doing our lashes. But man says really long because lashes. Now I need to buy new ones, and I should buy is small because I like using the small ones, you see. So yeah guys, so this year, hey, a lot of things happened, but okay. And also guys, the people that you guys used to see on my vlogs, and Babana anymore. Some of the people that you guys used to see on my vlogs are no longer in my life and stuff. So now maybe you guys are going to see new people, or if not new people, then you'll see me. No, guys, I'm dying. Die down. Guess I abandoned it. Yeah. Then the Puma goes, oh, I guess I need Noel. What can I use to tie my hair? Oh, look at sun. Everything I need clearly. But let me just keep quiet, you know, because sometimes keeping quiet helps a lot. helps a lot. It saves you from as in this means. But yeah, but maybe asking anybody consequence must. What I'm saying, guys, now, you know, in life now, uko abantu that will be there for each journey ethile, ne? Then abazubakho for ixesha elininzi, and we need to accept that. Okay, guys, now I'm done. So yeah, now I think I'll sleep because I think it's 11. Let me check. Yeah, it's still 11. Then I'll wait until 12 so that I can go and eat a lunch. Then from there, ibe to Gilk. See Briar. Sit down is Ninkani. But yeah. And it's done though, but like yeah, I let's do it. Like funny. Bodyguard yam.
What's your proof of life?
And Basga Balapin Greatest, yes. But yeah. The Pashiwe. The bodyguard yam. Protected. Glow. So guys, Kukundi Gumdone bodyguards. But then you start yiko.
Otherwise,
it's 3. And you balapin Venquam. Kish was a balapa pump guam, low pie back, the balapam guam. Guys, this is really up. Mabonen, Mactabin, on and lowest how tree bodyguard yam.
Everything is getting so real.
Boneni. The yellow one. Yeah.
Small mom, why are you so eager now and you just have to push? But park such a slow.
Hi vlog. So bright masters. I know 2 weeks in a row. I swear like.
What's that mean? Yeah.
Are you bright? Yeah, but I go like
See the full look. Okay, sign number 5 now. Desire Samba. Okay, spin because this prior and now we're done. So now I'm preparing for the event, the main event. And in my mind. Okay. Let me show you the outfit. So this is the outfit. I was wearing these tights, and then this t-shirt. Yeah, that's all. But in Florida, I'm being able to but like, yeah, doesn't mind the cans, collect the cans. But yeah, man. I mean.
Uyashisa, 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 uyashisa. Sawa, sawa yo.
What?